Zion blaze across the sky. sky. Stars above the nation testify. Silent witness shining bright. Guide the people through the night. Not of gold, not of throne, but the heavens we call home. Constellations mark the way. Stars declare a brighter day. Every twinkle tell the tale. Truth of Zion will prevail. Ancient sail across the sea. Stars deliver destiny. Now the people wonder still. Stars align for Jah will. Every journey, every dream. Stars above the nation gleam. Hope reflected, truth revealed. Broken spirit gently healed. Moon and planet shine in line. Signal now the holy time. Babylon shadow lose its claim. Stars eternal still remain. From the desert to the shore, nation rise forevermore. Every twinkle, every light, promise shine against the night. Sky proclaim what must be done. Stars unite the hearts as one. Message bright in every zone. Heaven write the truth in stone. Drummers beat beneath the glow. Stars inspire them to grow. Every singer lift the song. Stars above keep them strong. Generations gaze above. Stars remind of endless love. Vision pure, never gone. Stars of Zion carry on. Shine, shine, endless flame. Stars exalt your holy name. Glow, glow, far and wide. Stars of Zion still guide. Burn, burn, never die. Stars of Zion fill the sky. Stars above the nation bright. Lead the people through the fight. Never fading, never gone. Stars of Zion carry on. Forever burning, clear and true. Stars above still guide you. Through the darkness, through the pain. Stars of Zion still remain. Jah bless the land and the people, your man. Deep within the sacred ground, garden of eternal roots is found. Branches reach, leaves unfold, stories ancient truths untold. carry strength through space and time. Ever living, ever true, garden of roots renew. Hands together, sow the seed, garden answer every need. In the evening, in the morning, garden keep the people warm. Every star above agree, garden stand eternally. Joy and mercy, justice grow, through the roots the spirit flow. Everlasting, pure design, garden holy love divine. Grow, grow, strong and wide, roots of love them can divide. Bloom, bloom, bright and fair, garden spirit everywhere. Rise high day by day, garden show the righteous way. Garden eternal, holy ground, song of life in you is found. Roots unbroken, pure and free, garden of Zion destiny. Forever growing, never fall, garden of roots bless us all. Ever living, ever new, garden of joy. Carry you.
Reggae of Zion, man. Gold so pure yet spirit made, crown of Zion never fade. Rest upon the righteous head, guide the living, bless the dead. No vanity, no earthly pride, crown of Zion burn inside. It shine with love, it shine with flame, every jewel a holy name. Crown of Zion, bright and true, bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away, crown of Jah forever stay. It come from root of David's line, crown eternal, crown divine. It marked the child of righteous ways, keep it faithful all them days. No hand can steal, no tongue can mock, crown of Zion firm as rock. Glory fall like morning dew, crown of Jah forever new. It shine upon the prophet's soul, it tell the story lovers told. It guide the people through the flame, keep them steady, call Jah name. Every star in heaven bright, crown of Zion share the light. From dawn of time to kingdom come, crown of love for everyone. Me see the crown in vision clear, it say stand firm, don't live in fear. It bless the poor, it heal the weak, crown of Zion hear them speak. It teach the heart to live in peace, it make the war and anger cease. Upon the brow of truth it rest, crown of Zion ever blessed. When the trumpets start to blow, crown of Zion start to show. It shine the way, it light the road, it lift the weary, ease the load. Forever stand, forever reign, crown of Jah remove the pain. Glory burn like holy fire, crown of Zion never tire. Shine bright, shine strong, crown of Zion all lifelong. No gold of man, no earthly fame, crown of Jah forever same. Crown of Zion, bright and true, bless the of Zion light the way.
Smoke a spliff inna the morning, yeah man. Me rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. Me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf dey on the scene. Me give thanks for the breath me take, for the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the roosters bark. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and thrive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jaja time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors on the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate and the vision clear. Me know who me is, me mission here. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Beside me drum, me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one split fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate, me chant for love. Me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me reading in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal, just nature, music and truth untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Oh, morning light on Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for joy, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near.
Zion fire, bring your peace. It warm the heart, it light the way. Zion fire, every day, forever glowing pure and white. Zion fire, hold it tight. Me see it blazing morning sun. Zion fire, never done. It cleanse the land, it heal the pain. Zion fire, forever reign, forever burning, strong and true. Zion fire, carry you. It blaze the night, it blaze the dawn. Zion fire still carry on. It rise eternal, pure and strong. Zion fire, just song. No Babylon can dim the flame. Zion fire, praise his name. Eternal burning, pure and free. Zion fire, destiny. It blaze the nations, blaze the sea. Zion fire, eternity. When the trumpet sound again, Zion fire still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion fire, bring your peace from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion fire, Yahweh, eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion fire, just song. Blaze high, blaze free. Zion fire, eternity. No chain, no wall can quench the flame. Zion fire, call your name. Zion fire, blaze so bright, shining pure, the holy light. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion fire, exalt your name. From edge to edge, from dusk to dawn. Zion fire still carry on. Na 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 na. Smoke ganja and drink coconut, yeah, man. Me rise up early when the sun just kiss. Barefoot pan sand, no place me miss. Coconut tree stretch to the sky. Me sit underneath and me reason why. No need for riches or flashy show. Me treasure the moment, let blessings flow. Me have me ganja, me have me drum. Me have Jah love, me kingdom come. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like man in mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drumbeat like art inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Babylon call, but me nah pick up. Me sipping coconut from nature cup. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Them want power, me want release. Me woman dancing in the breeze. She wear no makeup, just natural ease. We sing a song of ancient tone. Rasta family, we not alone. Me hear the ocean talk to me soul. Say youth man, stay firm and whole. Me look to the sky, me give thanks for life. Through all the struggle and all the strife. Me no stress about the news them bring. Me build strength while the bird them sing. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, in our creed. Me only follow Jah word and deed. Me take a walk when the moon is high. Stars guide me like prophecy sky. Me see me ancestors in the flame. Them whisper songs, them call me name. Them said chant for justice, chant for love, chant the truth from up above. Me nah follow trend or hype. Me follow Rasta, me trad it right. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drumbeat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Meditation deeper than ocean. Vibration real, no illusion. From coconut tree to secret drum. Rasta youth know where we from. No Babylon distraction can break we soul. Zion echoes forever. Ay, ay, ay. Zion, Jamaica, Reggae man. Them build up tower, but it can't last. System based pan shadow pass. Me sight the lies behind the smile. Them feed the youth a toxic style. But we awake, we see the plot. Them selling poison, call it lot. Me bun the chain, me lift me head. Chalice make me spirit fade. Burn Babylon slow. One truth has stop the show. No need for rage or east. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me see the hungry, the poor, the cry. While some fly jet in the sky. But equal rights, a flame still strong. It burn for right, it burn for wrong. Me chant with drum, me voice a sword. Me lyrics sharper than them word. Me burn corruption, me burn them lies. Babylon can't hide from Jah eyes. Burn Babylon slow. One truth has stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me burn them law we sell out man. Me burn the chain and Babylon plan. Me rise with urban art of steel. Me chant the word that make them kneel. No violence, me burn them fake. Jah fire move like river wake. Me stand tall pan ancient stone. Babylon fall when truth is known. Me teach me youth, fi think and grow. Fi plant new seed and make it show. Me no preach hate, me chant fi cleanse. Me build a bridge, no need fi fence. Babylon crumbles slow but sure. Each lie exposed, them can't endure. Me hold the faith, me hold me ground. Till Zion trumpet shake the town. Burn Babylon slow. One truth has stop the show. No need for rage or haste. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Yes, burn it slow but burn it real. Zion come and wounds will heal. Ay, 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 Zion reggae, yeah, man. Build on stone of ancient days, temple standing holy ways. Every pillar strong with prayer, every wall just spirit bear. No hand of man but hand of God. Temple rise where prophet trod. From earth below to heaven high. Temple reach the endless sky. Temple of Zion, pure and strong. Keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace. Bless the world and make wars cease. It hold the chant of drum and song, echo righteous all day long. It shine the truth, it guard the flame. Temple stand in Jah true name. No thief, no liar pass the door. Temple keep the spirit sure. Every stone a sacred word, every sound the prophet heard. It welcome poor, it welcome me. It bless the humble heart them seek. It heal the sick, it feed the weak. Temple holy, pure and meek. From mountainside to valley low. Temple light forever glow. It stand eternal, stand divine. Temple built with Jah design. Me kneel within the holy hall. Hear the voice that guide us all. It says stand firm, don't lose your way. Temple bless you night and day. It lift me soul, it calm me mind. Temple show what love to find. Every heart can hear belong. Temple echo holy song. When the morning start to rise, temple glow beneath the skies. It stand forever, never fall. House of Jah command it all. From first chant to final day, temple show the righteous way. Home of spirit, home of flame. Temple blessed in Jah true name. Stand firm, stand tall. Temple of Jah above it all. No hand of hate can break the stone. Temple of Zion keep Jah throne. Temple of Zion, pure and strong. Keep the faithful all life long. House of prayer, house of peace. Bless the world and make wars cease. From dawn to dusk, from now to then. Temple guide the soul stress, me take me time. Each draw a prayer, each puff a rhyme. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call your name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me hear the drum beat in me chest. Heartbeat sync with the ancients' quest. Me chant Psalm 23 so soft. While ganja cloud me spirit lift aloft. Me no deal with vanity show. Me find me riches in the roots that grow. Each leaf a teacher, each bud divine. In a Jah garden me find the sign. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call your name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me born Babylon, plan and fear. Inhale wisdom, exhale care. The chalice circle like sacred right. The moon watch over we every night. Me sit in silence, hold your word. Each breath deeper, spirit stirred. Chalice lift me, me vision bright. Meditation make me see the light. Me reason with elder from long time past. Him say youth, hold your love steadfast. Me humble self to the natural flow. Fi see what me eyes alone can't know. Me take me time, me walk the mile. Each straw stretch fi another while. Me inhale hope, me exhale fear. Me know Jaja always near. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call your name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me reason I, me mind so still. Chalice full and Jah do will. Ay, 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 ay. Ganja with Zion. Raga, yeah, man. The soil soft under me feet. Me walk where love and nature meet. Me plant me dreams, me plant me care. Herb and hope in at the same air. Me no deal with concrete scheme. Me live in a the natural dream. Each leaf a part of Jah reply. Zion grow when spirit's eye. Zion grow in a we. Like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifest in air. Me teach the youth fi till the land. Fi feel Jah works in a them hand. The seed them plant them future build. With every crop a life fulfill. Me garden green, me mind at rest. Me know say Jah provide the best. Me see creation live and move. In every leaf the truth improve. Zion grow in a way. Like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifest in here.
sing, me chanting I feel, me reason pure. Love and healing are Jah cure. No wickedness in our heart, only truth and works of God. Zion afar it start in a soul and grow in a way like stories told. Me see the hills wear crown of green like the promise Jah always mean. Me feel the rhythm in every breeze. Zion speak through birds and trees. Me share me harvest, me share me word. No gates, no wall, just love preferred. Zion grow when we overstand that Jah reside in every land. Zion grow in a way like tree roots deep and free. From earth to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Yes, Zion grow in a way for all who chant and plant faithfully.
Na 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 smoker. Split with Zion reggae. Up in the hills where the moonlight fall. Me sit with me thoughts, hear nature call. No light but the stars them blink above. Me roll one tight with Jah love. Me wrap me dread like lion crown. Me spirit levitate, me soul not drown. Me chant of psalms, me heart beat slow. In the silence, the real truth show. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Me walk through grass tall like me fate. Each blade sing a song about life and fate. Them Babylon light, them flicker and fade. But the stars shine truth undiluted and afraid. Me chant for the youth, them lasting stress. For them who hustle but get no rest. Me send out frequency high and clean, like a trumpet blow in a holy dream. No riches in a pocket but me heart full. Me mind sharp, me senses full. Me sight Babylon, tricks and lies. Them build prison with sugar-coated ties. But me nah hate, me elevate. Me create sound, feel liberate. From Zion echo come healing balm. Reggae the sword and love the calm. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. Me sit by river where cold wind blow, and watch how the rhythm of the water flow. It teach me patience, teach me grace. Me see me reflection and find me place. Me nah run down fast, food love. Me build connection from roots above. Me woman beside me, natural queen. No fake, just real love, pure and clean. One spliff, one drum, one breath. Every night I rebirth, no death. Me see spirit in the owl's flight. Me reason deep in the heart of night. Rasta not sleep when wisdom call. Me write down visions on mountain wall. Starlight over Zion, me guide in the dark. Me follow Jah fire like Moses spark. Ganja smoke rise like prayer in breeze. Me feel Jah whisper in the rustling trees. Every step is a sacred rite, treading higher through the mystic night. Starlight lead me, Jah be me light. Zion echo flowing infinite. sunshine. Gold and silver can feed soul. Them build prison, me walk jagol. Me na inna no Gucci cloth. Me wear me roots, me bun them fraud. Me step on earth barefoot and strong. Me sing for Zion, me chant me song. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Me plant me seeds and wait for feast. Me nah run race for who a drive Benz. Me ride rhythm, me build from friends. Give me roots over riches, love over fame. Me trod with lion heart, me bun them shame. Inna the hills, me smoke and pray. No mansion coulda buy me way. Me rich in spirit, me wealthy still. Cause Jah provide and guide me will. Me no need 10 chain round neck. Me need coconut and hammock check. Me no beg likes on social screen. Me live me life like reggae queen. Me sweep me yard, me grow me food. Me sing in key, me change the mood. Me dep on mission, no competition. Me bring the healing, the real nutrition. From Portland coast to Kingston yard. Me carry roots music like old postcard. Them try fi sell culture like it's a brand, but me live it real, hand to hand. Me wealth no lie in vault or bank. Me store it in rhythm, in ganja plank. Me measure success by calm and joy. Me chant with elders, me build no destroy. Me write with ink of discipline. Me pen me life from deep within. Me no shame fi cry, me no afraid fi feel. Cause real Rasta man a move real. Give me roots over riches, truth over hype. Me sit in silence, me bun the mic. Me rich in faith, me fill with love. Me step on Babylon, rise above. Me wealth not fade like fashion way. Me trod with drum and smoke all day. One little spliff on me rising light. Me nah wait for no Friday night. Every day me reason with Jah. Me nah wait for stage or camera. Me cook ital with fire stick. Me sing ya bingy when rhythm kick. Me teach me youth bout balance and breath. Me tell them money can't buy debt. Them system flashy but empty still. Me choose the mountain, me choose Jah will. Me heart is full, me belly fed. Me sleep in peace, no fear, no dread. So when you see me humble and calm, know me protect me soul like Sam. Me chant for ones who not yet free. Me send this vibe across the sea. Me nah wear crown, me wear me smile. Me trod this earth, Rasta style. And though them chase diamonds and checks, me rich with herbs pon me neck.
Aye, 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 aye. Zion Reggae, yeah man. Sound the drum from Zion Hill, heartbeat of the Father's will. It called the nations, called them near. Zion Drumbeat, we all hear. From ancient days till present time, Zion Drumbeat sound divine. No Babylon can silence sound. Zion Drumbeat all around. Zion Drumbeat strong and free. Echo through eternity. Every thump a holy song. Zion Drumbeat, keep it strong.
forever steady, pure and white. Zion drum beat, hold it tight. It heal the weary, lift the meek. Zion drum beat, all hearts seek. From mountain high to valley low, Zion drum beat always flow. Me feel it in the morning sun. Zion drum beat never done. It shake the chain, it break the wall. Zion drum beat, for all. Forever thundering, pure and true. Zion drum beat carry you. Eternal rhythm, steady flame. Zion drum beat, praise his name. It rise eternal, strong and tall. Zion drum beat, bless we all. Forever sounding, never gone. Zion drum beat, keep it strong. It call the children, call the youth. Zion drum beat, your truth. Eternal rhythm, mighty sound. Zion drum beat all around. When the trumpet sound again, Zion drum beat still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion drum beat, bring your peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion drum beat showed your way. Eternal thumping, pure and free. Zion drum beat, destiny. Beat high, beat low. Zion drum beat, make it flow. No cheer, no war can stop the tone. Zion drum beat, set the throne.